Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This channel is rich in content all about using LinkedIn as a business tool, whether it be in your business or in your career journey. Beyond a few programs that I have videos for, all of my videos are answering questions that I am asked about using LinkedIn and Sales Navigator. I focus very deliberately on 4 key areas of LinkedIn: building a professional LinkedIn profile, building a highly focused and relevant LinkedIn network, and building your brand through engagement and content. And for those who want the help or need the help, also I teach prospecting using Sales Navigator and LinkedIn. So please subscribe to the channel and hit that notify button. And if you ever have a question about using LinkedIn, message me directly and ask me, or find me on one of the other platforms and ask me your questions, or just comment on one of the relevant videos and ask the question there. Because again, all of my videos are me answering questions that people have about using LinkedIn as a business tool. Thanks for visiting.